Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to connect a USB drive to Fire Stick. To connect a USB drive and Amazon Fire Stick, you will need to purchase a special USB cable adapter. This accessory is essential a micro USB cable with a USB port in the middle and allows for the connection of a USB drive without interrupting the Fire Stick's power supply. So here I will explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. For this, first step is plug one end of the USB cable adapter into the micro USB port on the Amazon Fire Stick. Connect the other end of the adapter into the Fire Stick charging cable. If you plug the Fire Stick charging cable into a USB port on the TV to power the Fire Stick, do so now. Otherwise, connect the cable to AC adapter and plug it into a power outlet on wall near the TV. Connect the Amazon Fire TV Stick to your TV's HDMI port as per usual. Turn the TV and Fire Stick on. Plug your USB drive into the USB port on the adapter cable. A small notification should appear in the lower right corner to confirm the USB drive has been detected. For optimum performance, Amazon recording your USB drive be USB 3.0 or no longer than 128 GB in size. Before the notification disappears, press the button on the Fire Stick remote with the 3 horizontal lines. To transfer Fire Stick apps to your USB drive, you will need to format it. Select S to begin the format process. Formatting the USB drive will delete everything currently on it. Select S. The USB format process will start. It should take no more than a few minutes to complete. Once it's finished, select OK. You should be returned to the Fire TV Stick home screen. Select settings to continue the USB drive setup and transfer apps onto it. Select My Fire TV. Highlight USB drive to view its used and available disk space. Select USB drive to view more options for managing the connected USB drive. Select Eject USB drive if you want to safely remove the USB drive without damaging its contents. Physically removing a USB drive without selecting this option can corrupt or damage files. Select Format to External Storage if you want to use your USB drive on other devices. This process especially removes the Fire Stick format process you did when you initially connected your USB drive to your Fire TV Stick. Select Manage Installed Applications to move apps and video games to and from your USB drive. Any Android apps you have installed on your USB drive, if any, will appear here. Select Show USB only to view apps that are installed locally on your Fire TV Stick and begin transferring some to your USB drive. Select Internally Only. Select the app you want to transfer from your Fire TV Stick's local storage to your connected USB drive. Select Move to USB Storage to transfer the app to your connected USB drive. Once selected, the app transfer process will begin. Do not touch any buttons on the remote while this transfer is being done. Repeat this process for as many Fire Stick apps and video games as you like. Many first-party Amazon apps can't be transferred off of Fire TV Sticks. These apps will not show you the USB transfer option during the above steps, so you don't need to worry about accidentally transferring any app you should not. To move apps from your USB drive to your Fire Stick's local storage, select the app from the app list and select Move to Internal Storage.